Hello everyone. Right now I will show you the short example of how do we connect the videos, and it is the easiest example of video editing. What do? We have, for example, one long video. It's too long, we don't need it all. We need just one short moment. So how do we cut it off? We use this instrument in the program, razor tool. We use it like a knife. With the help of it, we check the moment, cut it, then remove, stop, and cut again. So we could take a slice. This short slice is a cut scene. We use it to connect it with another video. This video is already the moment that was cut off by me sometime earlier. And how do we connect them? Just imagine that these two are like bricks in the building, and we connect them without the cement. We put it one close to another. There must be no hole between them, no space. Just one close to another. And this is how we get it. You see? We move from one scene to another. This is how we do the video editing. And so we can do with a lot of videos. As many times as we want. That's all.